Welcome back to our lesson on target setting. In this lesson, we will explore the exciting world of setting goals with the help of ChatGPT. We'll break it down into manageable steps so you can understand and apply it easily. Imagine you have a goal to become more productive. We'll start setting what we call a SMART goal. SMART stands for specific, achievable, measurable, relevant, and time bound. This method helps you set clear and realistic goals with a timeline. For example, your goal could be to increase productivity by 30% in the next 3 months. Now, you'll use ChatGPT to get guidance on your SMART goal. You can ask ChatGPT to help you set your goal and create a detailed plan to achieve it. ChatGPT will ask you questions to make your goal even more specific and tailored to your needs. In conclusion, setting SMART goals with the help of ChatGPT is a powerful way to achieve your objectives. By being specific about your goals, staying organized, and tracking your progress, you will be well on your way to success. Keep up the good work, and you will reach your goals faster with your hard work and organizational skills. So in ChatGPT, we are writing this prompt: help me set a SMART goal and a detailed plan to increase my productivity 30%. And you see, ChatGPT gives us different steps. GPT gives us 10 steps, 10 SMART goals we can follow. Number 1, identify current productivity levels. Number 2, set specific targets. Number 3, time management. Scroll down, add to number 4, improve focus, and number 5 is the management tools. In number 6, we have set clear goals and objectives. In number 7, measure progress. Number 8, seek accountability. Number 9, continuous improvements. And number 10, reward yourself.